Hi homeowners, this is Red Oliero of MF Home TV here again for another video, and this time let's take a little step back and figure out how we can improve our bathrooms, okay? But before anything else, please help us by subscribing to our YouTube page. Click on that notification bell so that you can see our videos first. And if you're looking to spice up your decoration ideas, check out our Instagram page and our Facebook page so you can get inspired and check out the next pieces of furniture for your lovely home. Okay? Now, back to the bathroom. Okay, this is our place where we freshen up and relieve ourselves. So, dapat lang nakaka-relax ang ating mga bathroom, di ba? So now, let's take a look. Are you doing any one of these 5 bathroom mistakes? Let's see. Maybe no one has told you this yet, but you should probably change out your bathroom mats. Okay? Tingnan mo to. Ayan o, mukha siyang ewan. Ano ba yan? Okay, paano ba natin to susolusyonan? Okay, an easy solution for this is to switch it out with a clear, transparent bathroom mat. Okay? It serves the same purpose, anti-slip din siya, and at the same time, transparent siya so it doesn't interfere with the aesthetic of your bathroom. Mirrors? Sure. Framed mirrors? Maybe not so much. Ang problema sa framed mirrors is that it makes the space look constricted and closed off, and it's not very good for a small area like your bathroom. Ditch your old mirrors and replace them with borderless ones. See? It's instantly 10 times better. Another fun thing you can do to a frameless mirror is to add LED lights underneath and around it to create this modern vanity mirror type feel. Pag pumasok ka ba sa banyo nyo, nararamdaman nyo ba na parang di ka makafocus? Parang ang daming nangyayari? Ba, meron kayong patterned shower curtain, meron mga nakakalat na toiletries, cleaning products, tapos yung drum ng tubig nyo ang laki, di ba? Dapat may one clear focal point sa banyo nyo. It can be an artwork, di ba? A big mirror, or a huge plant. Choose bathroom items that would be easier to your eyes. These would be items that have colors that match the color scheme of your home. So let's say it helps kapag yung shower curtain nyo or yung balde nyo has that same color scheme so that it blends in the background, therefore making it less distracting. Bath products, of course, are an essential part of any bathroom unless di ka naliligo. Ha? Naliligo ka ba? Ha? Okay, so if you want a cleaner, more sleek-looking bathroom, if you want a more luxurious-looking bathroom, I suggest you invest in these dispensers. Pag gumamit ka ng mga dispensers na to, magmumukhang malinis ang inyong banyo. O, di ba? Parang hotel lang. You can also be creative and have fun with your labels on your dispensers. Aside from being greatly aesthetic, this is also a great alternative to buying single-use bottles of shampoos, conditioners, and body wash or others. And you could jumpstart your zero-waste habit by just simply refilling your aesthetic dispensers at your local zero-waste store. O, di ba? Social ka na, environmentalist ka pa. Your bathroom will never reach its full potential if you do not have proper lighting. So, if you have a bathroom window, wag mong itago yan. Let the natural light in. Get as much natural light as you can sa bathroom mo. If that's not possible, okay lang. Just make sure your main bathroom light is a warm white. Warm white has a cozy feel and less intrusive to other lights like white or daylight temp. You can also put up accent lighting in your bathroom, such as a spotlight on the sink or a pendant light. And there you have it, guys. That's another episode of MF Home TV. I hope you learned a lot from this video. So please get working on your bathrooms. This is me, Red, inspiring your home always. Goodbye. Ito na ang comment of the week. Here is last week's winner.
This week's prize